Advantages and disadvantages genetic engineering. Welcome to TCP Academy. Mr. Wilson is excited to share with you advantages and disadvantages genetic engineering. This is in partial fulfillment of the CCC Human and Social Biology syllabus. Section C, SPO 12. Here's a clear and student-friendly explanation of the advantages and disadvantages of genetic engineering, including the recombinant DNA process and ethical concerns, tailored for the CCC Human and Social Biology exam. Genetic engineering. Quick recap. Genetic engineering is the process of changing an organism's DNA to give it new traits. This often involves recombinant DNA, where DNA from two different organisms is combined. Recombinant DNA in insulin production. One of the best-known uses of genetic engineering is the production of human insulin for people with diabetes. Steps. 1. Scientists isolate the gene that codes for human insulin. 2. That gene is inserted into the DNA of a bacterium using recombinant DNA technology. 3. The modified bacteria multiply and produce insulin, which is then collected and purified. Benefits. Fast and large-scale insulin production. Cheaper and more reliable than using animal insulin. Fewer allergic reactions because it's human insulin. Applications of genetic engineering, GMOs. In food, genetically modified organisms. Crops like corn, soybeans, and tomatoes are modified to resist pests, e.g., Bt corn. Tolerate drought. Improve nutrition, e.g., golden rice with vitamin A. In medicine. Production of vaccines and hormones, like insulin, growth hormone. Gene therapy, attempting to fix faulty genes in patients with genetic disorders. Advantages of genetic engineering. Advantage explanation. 1. Improves human health, makes medicines like insulin and vaccines. 2. Improves food quality, increases nutrition, shelf life, and pest resistance. 3. Helps farmers produce more food with fewer losses. 4. Reduces use of chemicals, pest-resistant crops, reduce the need for harmful pesticides. 5. Treats genetic disorders, potential to fix diseases through gene therapy. Disadvantages of genetic engineering. Disadvantage explanation. 1. Health risks, possible. Some worry that GM foods might cause allergies or other unknown effects. 2. Environmental impact, modified crops might harm natural species or reduce biodiversity. 3. Costly technology can be expensive to develop and maintain. 4. Ethical concerns, some people feel it's wrong to play God by altering genes, especially in humans. 5. Resistance in pests or bacteria, overuse of GM crops or antibiotics may lead to resistant pests or bacteria. Ethical concerns in genetic engineering. Religious/moral views. Some believe it's unnatural or wrong to alter life forms. Labeling GM foods. People want to know if their food has been genetically modified. Genetic inequality. Worry that only the rich may benefit from advanced gene therapies. Designer babies. Fears about creating humans with selected traits, not allowed in most countries. Summary table for revision. Topic. Key points: genetic engineering, changing genes to produce desired traits. Recombinant DNA, combining DNA from two organisms, e.g., bacteria plus human insulin gene. GMO in food, crops made resistant to pests or more nutritious, e.g., Bt corn, golden rice. GMO in medicine, bacteria making insulin, gene therapy, vaccine production. Advantages: better food and medicine, less chemical use, possible cures for diseases. Disadvantages: health risks, cost, environmental effects, ethical issues. Ethical concerns: religious beliefs, food safety, access to gene treatments, genetic privacy. Thanks much for watching. Please be reminded to like, share, and subscribe. Question: what are your views on GMOs? Join our online biology and human and social biology class at our competitive rate and be among those who will enjoy success. Please support my book on Amazon, Practical Biology Lab Book, with labs for CC. As you know, until we next meet, walk good.